Hello everyone and welcome back to Genie Crafts. Today's video tutorial is dedicated to the creation of this low poly paper crystal hand. On a difficulty scale, this paper craft would lie somewhere between medium and difficult. I have taken a scaled down printout of this template that is 1/4 the size of a normal printing A4 paper, but you can also take a printout on A4 paper and create the original sized crystal hand. This template has been created by a talented artist named Methakura. I have shared the link for the template in the description box and you can check it out later. To start the assembly process of this crystal hand, first I need to cut out all the pieces and prep them and make them ready for the assembly. For the cutting purposes, I am using a regular paper cutting knife with A11 blade. Overall prep time for this craft is around 2 hours and you would need at least 4 hours to completely make this low poly crystal hand. Using your paper cutting knife, cut along the solid lines. Do not cut along the dotted lines. Dotted lines are for folding purposes. After cutting out the piece, when removing the piece, always press the piece down and not the other way around. This will prevent any accidental tear in case of undercutting. Next step is to create the crease lines so that you can easily fold the template piece. To create the crease lines, you can use a metallic pencil or you can also use any blunt tool like butter knife. When you're drawing the scoring lines, do not press too hard, otherwise the metallic pencil will tear the paper off. We are making the crease lines only to make it easy to fold the piece. After creating the crease line, transfer the numbers from the original template back onto the cutout piece. In case you have taken the printout directly on the colored paper, then you can skip this step. Now every crease line will be represented by two different kinds of dotted lines. One dotted line will be a simple dashed line. If it's a simple dashed line, then in that case you fold it inwards. That is also called as a valley fold. But if it's a dashed and dotted line along that particular crease, then in that case you fold it outwards, also called as a mountain fold. And here are all the pieces prepped and ready to be assembled. You can see two different kind of edges in each piece. Some edges have folded flaps attached to them and other edges are bare. So for the edges which have folded flaps, these flaps are used to apply the glue so that they can connect to the same numbered edges on another piece or within the same piece. To apply the glue on the folded flaps, we are going to use a toothpick as it allows to apply thin layer of glue. And the glue that we are using is transparent fast drying glue. We'll start with piece number 1 and see if there are edges with common numbers, and surely there are a couple of edges with the common numbers. So the first step would be to glue these edges together with the common numbers, and once we are done with the common numbers within the piece, then we will move on to stick this piece to the other pieces. Also, you can have tweezers handy with you in case you want to hold the pieces together and you're not able to do it with your fingers. So that's all the instructions that I wanted to give for this particular paper craft, and we can start gluing the pieces together. First we'll start with individual fingers, and once we are done with the individual fingers, we are going to start connecting the fingers together and complete the rest of the hand. And with that last base piece, our low poly crystal hand is ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please do not forget to hit the like and share button. Also, please subscribe to my channel so that you can get weekly videos on different kinds of paper arts. I will see you guys very soon in my next paper cutting video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and bye bye.